Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A54 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view. I will go with Play Store. Now access background apps. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you can do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines. Then click on the icon of your app and select Open in split screen view. Finally, select the other app, like Chrome. As you can see, finally, I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!